Let's review this Part B question now. 210 students want to join the marching band. Mr. Ruiz will have 80% of the band be percussion and brass. Use the unit rates you found in Part A to determine how many students should be brass players. So I've got 210 students. 80% of them will be percussion and brass. So the first thing I need to do is figure out 80% of 210. So I go down to my text box here. I'm going to type 0.8 times 210. And when you put numbers in the text box, it's not a calculator. So I have to go up and get the calculator. So we'll say 0.8 times 210 equals 168. So I'm going to drag this out of the way, go back to my text box, type the equal sign, and type 168. So 168 of the players will be percussion or brass. And now, so you don't have to watch me type, we'll skip ahead to where I've shown my steps, and then I'll go over the steps. So I figured out that 80% of 210 is 168. So the total number of percussion and brass players will be 168. I went back up and looked at the chart, and I looked at band 3 because it has nice round numbers, and I saw that if you add 150 plus 50, you get 200. If you divide 200 by 4, you get 50, which is the number of percussion players. So let's go back down to my text box. So I wrote for band 3, and that part of band 3 is sort of covered up by this gray line, which I don't know why that's there. 150 plus 50 equals 200. 200 divided by 4 equals 50. This same process works for bands 1 and 2, and I'm sure I'm not using the right terminology to explain this, but it makes sense to me. Now I take 168, which is the number of percussion and brass players in Mr. Ruiz's band, divide it by 4, I get 42. So Mr. Ruiz's band will have 42 percussion players, but I need to find the number of brass players. So I'm going to take 168 and subtract 42. I get 126, and the answer is 126 brass players.